Are you ready to cut the cord and explore IPTV? Let's dive into this step-by-step guide to buying an IPTV account. First, visit reputable sites like C2U and U7BUI, where they offer affordable IPTV accounts with instant delivery. Look for options that boast strong IPTV services at competitive prices, like Trex IPTV. Next, check user reviews and ratings to confirm the legitimacy of the provider. This can save you from scams. Avoid common mistakes like buying from unknown sources without verification. Once you've selected a provider, ensure secure payment options are available. This guarantees your financial safety.
Came through flexing cause they know I got the sauce. Got the presence on me, I can't ever take it off. That's why I came country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Yeah, they can't get like me, rocking boots and white tees.
After purchasing, set up your IPTV account on a device of your choice, whether it's a smart TV, tablet, or PC. Lastly, don't forget to explore their channel offerings to maximize your viewing experience. Remember, for the best IPTV provider, check out 2TV Store. The link is in the description. Enjoy streaming your favorite shows and channels seamlessly.